Hello everyone and happy May. It is May, which means it's time to do the unboxing for the May Knit Box. So each month, Makers Mercantile sends out these red boxes to all of our subscribers. And inside the box, there's gonna be a treat and some kind of a gift usually. There's always gonna be yarn, always gonna be a pattern, and hopefully it will put a smile on your face and bring some inspiration to your month. So this month, there is, of course, there's always a little joke here, a little punny joke. So that is for the subscribers. You get to read that and have some fun. And then inside here, there's always, like, consider it tissue paper. And then there's two different things that are wrapped up here. So let's see what these are. So the first one here is a cake of yarn. So this is a cake of Madrona. This is color Napped Flint is what it's called. Madrona is a superwash sock yarn that is 30% baby alpaca and 30% merino wool, and both of those fibers are treated with a process called easy wash. It's very similar to superwash as far as what it does. It makes it so that you can actually put it in a delicate wash cycle if you want to. I always hand wash all of my things that I knit. So anyway, 30% baby alpaca, 30% merino wool, 20% bamboo viscose, and 20% nylon. So there's 402 yards in this beautiful cake of Madrona by HiKoo. So you get one of those. And then the other one that I just unwrapped here is my favorite right now. It is one of my favorites anyway. So this is a yarn called Creativo. It is called Color Trip is the series, and this is from Garn Manufaktur. And check out that single strand that just changes color. It kind of runs through the rainbow. This colorway is called Rose, so it has this, of course, rose tint, and it sort of makes this really fun mottled color. Is it not so pretty? This yarn is 75% wool, 25% nylon. So it is a really wonderful sock yarn, but I don't think we're gonna make socks because we have two things of yarn. So this month's box is a real deal, I'm telling you. So if there are any left, you might want to grab one because just the two yarns are worth more than the value of this box. Inside here, of course, there is a download code for the pattern. So if you'd like to add a digital copy to your Ravelry library or your digital library, wherever that lives, you can do that by following that. And then you get the pattern. The pattern itself is the Rosalind Shawl. So this is named after Dr. Rosalind Franklin, who was a scientist who helped discover the DNA molecular structure. And there's a little bit of information about Dr. Franklin in the sort of description section of the pattern. And then there's a link as well, so you can learn more about Dr. Franklin and her work. The pattern itself, what does it look like? Well, I have the sample here. So this is what the piece looks like. It is, starts down here at this corner, and there is a small buttonhole there. There's the buttonhole. And it keeps going and going and going, and it's worked back and forth this way. So it's increasing each row until you get to the center, and then you start decreasing twice as fast. So you're going to decrease on every row on this side. You're increasing every other row on this side. So it makes this sort of offset triangle. There is a button. There's a button also inside this box here. So you get a button, and there's a video that Ashley did for us that helps you understand where you might want to put that button if you are having trouble placing it. But so you can throw it on like this. And this is basically what this shawl might look like if you wear it this way. And it's just really pretty. I like the way that this pattern turned out. It is a fun, sort of easily understood pattern. You sort of get going on each row and then off you go for the row back and forth. There's a tiny little bit of intarsia technique used so that the border stays a little clean along this top edge here. And what does the back look like? This is what the back looks like. So we are not trapping or locking our floats like I normally want everyone to do. These are all stitches that change color every 2 stitches. So you could lock floats if you wanted to, but it's not really necessary for this one. The back is really pretty just the way it is. So that's what the back looks like. And this is our shawl, the Rosalind Shawl. There's other stuff in here. So you also are gonna get a little treat. So we got a little sour treat here. It's a little stripy sour snack if you're interested in that. And then our friend Marie Green sent us all a little gift. So inside the box, you're gonna find this little package here. So it comes in this little guy here, and it is a wonderful little travel size of Marie's knit butter. So this is something that Olive Knits offers on their website, and it is a wonderful balm for people who are knitting. We get sort of dry hands after knitting for a long time, and this stuff just smells spectacular. Here, smell. Can't smell it. You have to get the box to try it, but I promise you it is a fantastic light scent. It's not overpowering. This stuff works into your hands, and then it's not greasy, which is wonderful. You can get right back to knitting, and I love it. So if you're interested in this, it's called Knit Butter, and there is also a coupon in here for all of the subscribers. So if you're interested in getting a larger container of it, you can do that on the Olive Knits website, and there's a little bit of a discount there. So that is it for the May knit box. I hope that you have fun making this project. If you have questions about it, of course, you can reach out to us through the website or email or give us a call. And that's it for May. So we'll see you again in a few weeks. There's another box in development. We can't wait to show you what that one is. We will see you in June. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.